ग्लोबल स्किल डेवलपमेंट मिशन में आपका स्वागत है।
Chapter 33 Direct Indirect Part 2. Now we are discussing about past tense. अब हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि पास्ट टेंस में यानी पास्ट सिंपल को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कैसे चेंज करेंगे। पास्ट सिंपल को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करने के लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज किया जाता है। जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, पास्ट सिंपल चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट, यानी कि पास्ट सिंपल वही टेंस जिसके अंदर हमारे पास वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगा करती थी, और पास्ट परफेक्ट वो जिसमें हमारे पास हैड प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगा करती थी। अगर मैं इसको दूसरे शब्दों में कहूँ तो बहुत सिंपल सी बात है कि सेकंड फॉर्म को हम हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज कर देंगे, और ऑब्वियसली जैसा पहले डिस्कस किया जा चुका है कि हम इसके कॉमा इनवर्टेड कॉमर्स को हटा देंगे। देखिए कैसे। ही सेड टू मी यू आंसर्ड करेक्टली। He said to me that I had answered correctly. John said they went to cinema. John said that they had gone to cinema. He said I made a table. He said that he had made a table. She said I didn't buy a car. She said that she had not bought a car. Next, past continuous change into past perfect continuous. They said we were enjoying the weather. They said that they had been enjoying the weather. He said to me, I was waiting for you. He told me that he had been waiting for me. I said it was raining. I said that it had been raining. She said I was not laughing. She said that she had not been laughing. इसी प्रकार से हमारा पास्ट परफेक्ट यानी कि हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म वाला जो टेंस था वो हमारी डायरेक्ट स्पीच पास्ट परफेक्ट में ही सेम रहेगी, यानी कि कोई भी चेंज नहीं रहेगा। यानी कि पास्ट परफेक्ट हमारे पास एज इट इज, यानी कि पास्ट परफेक्ट में ही रहेगा। हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म जो हमारे पास डायरेक्ट स्पीच में दी गई है वही हमारे पास इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में भी रहने वाली है। एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए। शी सेड शी हैड विजिटेड अ डॉक्टर. She said that she had visited a doctor. He said, I had started a business. He said that he had started a business. I said, she had eaten the meal. I said that she had eaten the meal. They said, we had not gone to New York. They said that they had not gone to New York. Now, let us discuss about whose. Whose का हिंदी में शाब्दिक अर्थ है किसका या किसके। दिस इज यूज टू नो अबाउट अ पर्सन। इसमें हमारे पास किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में भी पूछा जा सकता है। यह तो तय है कि WH फैमिली का पार्ट है क्योंकि शुरू में WH लगा हुआ है। इसका फॉर्मूला है whose प्लस थिंग या फिर सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस रेस्ट सेंटेंस प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क। Whose house is this? Whose room is that? Whose books are these? Whose book did you buy? Whose product do you use? Whose help you will do in coming future? Whose name you have struck off from your register? Whose importance is more in your life? Whose company you have sponsored for nomination? Whose nomination you had filled in your form? Whose house was that? Whose response is better? Whose name is written in book? Whose order do you obey? Whose efforts were more sincere? Whose clothes were they washing? Whose house had set on fire today in the morning? Whose dictionary has he stolen? Whose makeup you will be doing tomorrow? Whose clothes were you sewing? Now, again, situational conversational exercise in telephone exchange. इसमें एक टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज में एक बच्चे की और एक क्लर्क की बातचीत जो है दिखाई गई है, यानी कि एक टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज में हम किस प्रकार से बातचीत करते हैं। चाइल्ड Sir, I want to book a broadband connection. Clerk, what is the number? Child, 01732 242571. यहां मैं एक चीज और ऐड करना चाहूंगा. अमेरिकन इंग्लिश के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम जीरो को ओ भी बोल सकते हैं. यानी कि अगर यही बच्चा दोबारा इस नंबर को रिपीट करे तो इसमें जीरो की जगह पर ओ बोलेगा. कैसे? चाइल्ड, ओ 1732 242571. Clerk, wait for some time by the time I send online request. Child, what is the monthly rental? Clerk, rupees 999 for unlimited. Child, wow, unlimited. I'll go for this plan. Clerk, should I book this plan? Child, yes sir. Clerk, I have sent the request. Now your broadband connection will be installed by our expert within 24 working hours. Child, thank you. Clerk, welcome. Now you should move to payment counter. Child, okay, I'll. Next situation, at the reservation counter. Clerk, boy, how may I assist you? Boy, I want reservation of 2 tickets to Kanyakumari. Clerk, give me the filled reservation form. Have you filled? Why, yeah, here it is. Clerk, there is no seat available on 20th March in Himalayan Queen Express. Why? Is there any chance available in Chennai Express? Clerk, yes, there are 2 seats available in Chennai Express. Why? What is the fare, please, per head one side? Clerk, the fare per head one side is rupees 775. Should I book 2 seats? Why, yes, here's the money. Clerk, okay, I have done. These are your tickets. Have a happy journey. Again, the exercise of train reservation. ट्रेन रिजर्वेशन की यहाँ पर एक और एक्सरसाइज दी गई है क्योंकि ट्रेन रिजर्वेशन के लिए हमारे पास अलग अलग ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हो सकती हैं. सेल्स पर्सन, हाउ मे आई असिस्ट यू? कस्टमर, आई वुड लाइक टू बुक अ टिकट फॉर भोपाल प्लीज. सेल्स पर्सन, ओके, व्हेन फॉर? कस्टमर, कमिंग सैटरडे ऑन 12th March. सेल्स पर्सन, वन वे और रिटर्न ऑल्सो? Customer, return also. Salesperson, for how many persons? Customer, for 3 persons. Salesperson, first class or second class? AC or non-AC? Customer, first class AC. Salesperson, okay, your seats are reserved. Customers, how much I have to pay? Salesperson, only rupees 1500. Customer, that's fine, take it. Salesperson, thank you, have a happy journey. Customer, thanks. This is the end of chapter 33.